multiplication method. 2 times 5 gives us 10, carry 1. 2 times 0 gives us 0, plus 1 gives us 1. 3 times 5 gives us 15. 5 is down and we carry 1. 3 times 0 gives us 0, plus 1 gives us 1. We simply add 0 plus nothing gives us 0. 1 plus 5 gives us 6. 1 plus nothing gives us 1. If you follow through with the points like this, your answer will be wrong. So, how do we place the right point in the right place? We simply go back and check the question. This is 1 decimal place and this is 1 decimal place. Makes it 2 decimal places. So from right to left, we count 2 decimal places and place the point thereafter. 1, 2. So our point comes here, it becomes 1.60. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tips. This is Maths with Ogali.